Welcome to the Comprehensive Gateway course, Introduction to EASA, Part 66, Category B2. This video provides the foundations of aircraft maintenance licensing for avionics engineers. We begin with Section 01, the world of avionics engineering. We will define the Category B2 license and review its essential roles. A Category B2 license holder can issue certificates of release to service after maintenance on avionic and electrical systems. This covers complex integrated instrument, communication, navigation, and flight control systems across all aircraft types. The regulatory framework is Regulation EU No. 1321/2014, with Part 66 defining licensing. Annex 3 details the requirements, ensuring standardization and demanding compliance with Appendix 1 and 2 knowledge requirements. The core introductory modules include mathematics, the foundation for calculations, physics, vital for understanding aircraft interaction, and electrical systems, the core of a B2 technician's daily work, from electron theory to AC/DC circuits. The key difference between B1 and B2 is their technical system focus. B1 focuses on mechanical aspects and engines, while B2 dedicates 95% of its focus to the electronic side, dealing with the, quote, brains of the aircraft. The roadmap to licensing involves 4 steps: completing theoretical training and passing 17 module exams, accumulating practical experience, submitting EASA Form 19 for the basic license, and finally, obtaining a type rating for specific aircraft models. This introductory syllabus breaks down the modules into core areas: science fundamentals, electrical and electronics, legislation and human factors, and maintenance practices. Due to increasing aircraft complexity, the projected demand for B2 engineers shows a significant annual growth of 25% in avionics specialist roles. Practical maintenance realities involve meticulous troubleshooting, sensor calibration, and software uploads. Safety and precision are paramount when working on the flight-critical electrical backbone of modern aircraft. Remember, the safety of flight starts in the hangar. Every B2 certification requires technical excellence and strict regulatory compliance. Thank you for watching this introduction to EASA Part 66, Category B2. For more information, please visit the Aero Maintenance Hub website or the specific course link provided.